Good morning. Ẹ súnmọ́ bí ẹ wá gbọ́ tuntun. Hi! Mo rí fídíò kan. Ọmọ Yorùbá, ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ dìbò fún Tinúbú o. Ẹ má dìbò fún Tinúbú, mo ń sọ fún yín o. Ẹ má dìbò fún APC o. APC ló kó Boko Haram wọ Nàìjíríà o. APC ló da lú o, ló da Nàìjíríà rú o. APC ló jí ẹwà báyìí. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá tẹ́lẹ̀ ṣe Yorùbá nation Tinúbú. Ẹ má dìbò fún Tinúbú, ló da Yorùbá nation rú. Òun ló gbowó fáwọn pé kankan máa fi dàrú owó, iṣẹ́ owó ni owó ló ń ṣiṣẹ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ó rẹ́dì láti ná gbogbo last card rẹ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá nation. Ó dẹ̀ ti gbìyànjú ẹ̀ sẹ́ni lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Nàìjíríà pé kó lè rí ibi wọlé gbogbo àwọn èrò tẹ́ ń rí owó náà fi ń ra àwọn èrò rí wọn bí tán ti ń fowó ra títán ti ń fowó ra PVC àánú yín ṣe mí ìwọ náà mo fẹ́ kó gbọ́ fídíò tí Fáṣọlá sọ ẹ̀ Fáṣọlá ti tú pẹrẹpẹrẹ ó ti ní kẹ́ ẹ fóòtì wọn jáde wọ́n ní kẹ́ ẹ fóòtì wọn jáde mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́rọ̀ tí wọ́n sọ ń bí wọ́n ní ẹ fóòtì wọn jáde lọ gba PVC yín kẹ́ ẹ fi fóòtì wọn out ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń ta PVC yín wò ó pósí ló tà yẹn pósí rẹ ló ń fowó ọwọ́ rẹ ló fi ń gba pósí ó fowó rẹ gba pósí wọn ó gbọ́dọ̀ dìbò fún Tinúbú jagarodi of Nigeria ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ dìbò fún alhamdulilayi bàbá oní bala blue bla ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ dìbò fún tó bá lò ní jẹ́ ìsinmi mi gò ní jẹ́ gbádùn gbogbo sẹ́tẹ̀mí ṣe fódìdí ọdún mẹ́ta yìí kan wá lẹ fẹ́ dànù sínú ẹlẹ́dànù sínú òkùnkùn ọwọ́ yín lẹ fi dànù ẹ tí rí nǹkan kan mi àti ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀jọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ dìbò fún Tinúbú ṣe Tinúbú yẹn ẹ má dìbò fún ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ dìbò fún wo Ọbaṣẹ́kìn ó lọ sí United Kingdom yéé tẹ́ bá rí bí wọ́n ṣe pariwo lé lórí ìyẹn ọ̀tọ̀ ṣe wá rí jagarodi mo fẹ́ sọ fún ẹ̀yin tí ẹ fẹ́ dìbò ẹ má dìbò fún Tinúbú Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinúbú jaga bandit of Nigeria jagarodi of Lagos ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ dìbò fún ìwọ tó bá ṣépè fún mi Ṣàngó ni ó pa ẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ẹ lọ get PVC yín ẹ fóòtì wọn out ẹ fóòtì wọn dànù èmi sọ fún yín wọn kú ti bá ń tó wà ńlẹ̀ jẹ́ adẹ̀ ti rẹ́dì láti fóòtì yín jáde bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe fi ọwọ́ yín tẹ́ ẹ fi dá Yorùbá nation rú bẹ́ẹ̀ lèmi náà fi ẹnu mi dá ayé yín rú bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ fún yín ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ dìbò fún Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinúbú Àtíkù ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ dìbò fún wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ ni sí ẹ̀ tí ẹ̀ di Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinúbú yẹn ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ dìbò fún má gbìyànjú dìbò fún Tinúbú o wọ́n máa ń sọ fún ipò mẹ́ni ìṣèdí bẹ̀bẹ̀rẹ̀ ká fi sídìí ọmọ ẹlòmíì ọmọ ẹ̀wọ̀ ìdí bẹ̀bẹ̀rẹ̀ Tinúbú yìí ò ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ dìbò ẹ má dìbò fún wọn they are all liars irọ́ wọn ti pọ̀ jù alhamdulilayi ni alhamdulilayi ó dẹ̀ ló ń kírun kò lè máa alhamdulilayi pé èmi gan tí mi ṣe mùsùlùmí gan mo mọ́ ṣe ń pè alihamdulilayi rọ́bìlì halami àwọn wá ṣe alhamdulilayi ìrírú ẹ̀rí jagarodi ni alhamdulilayi ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ dìbò fún Tinúbú ẹ bá dìbò fún Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinúbú election kù ọjọ́ mélòó kan on the 15th of next month náà máa dìbò ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ dìbò sọrí wọ́n tó gbowó tó ta PVC rẹ nítorí àtẹnujẹ tó ta PVC rẹ lórí 2,000 5,000 ó ti fowó ara ẹ̀ ra pósí muslim ticket tí wọ́n ń gbé kiri sórí tí Jagaban bá lọ wọlé pẹ́rẹ́ tí sẹ̀ǹtìmá rí bí gba ìjọba tí ń ta tí Tinúbú bá sọ pé òun gba Tinúbú kọ́ lẹ fẹ́ dìbò fún mo sọ pé Tinúbú kọ́ lẹ fẹ́ dìbò fún ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ dìbò fún Tinúbú ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ dìbò fún Tinúbú ikú ló ń bọ̀ wá rà fún yín ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ dìbò fún that is why tán fi ń da Yorùbá rú wọ́n ti fọkàn sí pé àwọn ti fulfill Yorùbá nation ẹ rí Yorùbá nation fulfill o ìyá payín tó bá lè dìbò fún Tinúbú ikú payín nù tó bá lọ ṣe mistake pẹ́rẹ́ tó lọ dìbò fún APC ikú pa ẹ́ nù ó gbọ́dọ̀ dìbò fún wọn àti ti PDP o àti APC o sọ́ra àwọn méjèèjì yẹn àkẹran jákùn ni wọn ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ dìbò fún wọn so ti rí Tinúbú yẹn má dìbò fún torí sẹ̀ǹtìmà tó wà lẹ́yìn rẹ̀ yẹn ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ dìbò fún yes ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ dìbò fún Tinúbú sẹ́rí sẹ̀ǹtìmà òun lọ lórí àwọn Boko Haram tó ń bá àwọn Boko Haram jẹun sórí ń tẹ́ ẹ ṣe nínú Yorùbá nation ẹ gbìyànjú gan o ṣùgbọ́n èmi náà bẹ́ẹ̀ bí láti fún yín ní pàṣán.
Electricity for popcorn. Ever since they come, they share the company.
The reason they did it in Ghana Ghana was when the moment came, they did not turn their backs. If you don't turn your back and you change this government and you elect General Muhammadu Buhari and Yemi Osinbajo, you know what you would have done? You would have taken power in your own hands. You know what would then happen? You will be sending the clearest message to politicians that they must come prepared every time they come and make promises to you. Because if General Buhari and Yemi Osinbajo also do not perform, you know what you will do? You will vote them out. Thank you.
Oh, this Obaseki right here. That is Obaseki right here. And your state has failed. Your state has failed. That is Obaseki right there. That is Obaseki of Edo State. Mr. Obaseki. Siasi what? See when they come abroad, you see the good roads here? Obaseki, did you see good road? Obaseki only! Obaseki only! He's walking on a good road. That's the governor of Edo State. He's walking on a good road. His state doesn't have good roads. That's the governor. His state doesn't have a good
meeting of pains in the heart, meeting that have brought each and every one of us from the nooks and crannies of the Niger Delta to converge here in Yenegua and discuss issues that are pertinent to our welfare. Yes, we have had a lot from the national leadership, All Grand Pressure Group of Nigeria, of the person of Comrade Ostas Daou. We from the Niger Delta in Bayelsa, to be precise, we have had a resolution with regard to our nationwide protests. We all know that protest will unveil a lot of secrecy, that is involved in the disbursement. So therefore, we have resolved no going back. I want to pass a warning to the national leaders. We from the Niger Delta, from the creeks of the Niger Delta, Bayelsa State, we cluster owners, NGO owners, the timid subscribers of this humble grant, we have unanimously agreed and no going back. On Thursday, we have mobilized everywhere from the local government to the community down to the state, to the creeks of the Niger Delta. So therefore, we are coming out in our mass. So we are appealing that the needful should be done. We are telling the cabas, you cabal that is comfortable in your comfort zone, that doesn't want the Nigerian masses to enjoy what God has blessed her of. We are telling you enough is enough. It's either you do the needful from today to this night and tomorrow. We want to see alerts. We want to see alert in our NGOs. That is the only prerequisite for we to hold fire. We are mobilizing. Don't take us for granted. This, if not controlled, might be like an NSAS protest. We don't pray for it. But
NSAS is learning now.
NSAS is even learning. So therefore, I urge the government of the day to do the needful. We are law-abiding citizens of this country. We don't take the laws into our hands. This money we are all agitating for is not the government money. This is money meant for the poor Nigerians. It is money that was brought by NGO to this country to better our lives. So I see no need why government will start playing hanky-panky on it. For how long will this kangaroo play will continue? I am of age. I have spent most decades in this country. I have never seen something work that has to do with the masses in this country. And this will stop all those abracadabra. So we urge you, you government, you Kaba, you NGO.